what day it is? Hey, is that a street car?
Huh?
I just want to know if that's a street car.
Is that a street car?
I don't know.
And that a race car? Okay, yeah, I shouldn't have done that. The truck's kind of dirty.
Hey, I don't care. It's a work truck.
Street car. Street truck.
Yeah, it's a street truck. It's gonna be dirty. But is that a street car though?
I mean, it looks like one.
I don't know. But we're driving. Is this a public highway? Is that a tag?
Is that a speed limit sign?
We're doing 45 right now. My man got a CDL, so he can't speed.
Yeah. Or else we tell him to do a pool.
Yeah, I mean, he'll do a pool.
Yeah, he ain't scared.
We gotta blur his face out so he don't lose his job.
Yeah, and his tag, even though it's his Instagram name.
Literally, his tag is his tag.
True.
Anyway, we're on the way to Galat right now to do some private testing with Blueberry and Milkshake. I have to test the mount that we had acquired from Innovative to make sure it doesn't crack the block, break the transmission, anything like that. Also, we're going to be testing the trailing arms. Not so much the Vistas coupler, but my Part Store Poverty axles, my Poverty trailing arms. You know, just my whole poverty car that I built back there.
Yeah, the little
We're gonna see what
turd.
Should I show times or should I just, you know, like keep people guessing? I mean, it won't matter anyway because if it'll do this on a stock motor, imagine what it's gonna do it on a built motor. So I'll show times on a stock motor.
Okay, we'll show the time on the first pass.
Yeah, we'll show time from the first pass. Yeah, and first pass is gonna be just the way it is. I'm not gonna change anything.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm gonna change is tire pressure this time because last time we took it out.
You can put Derek Street tires on the back?
No. We're gonna leave those on there.
Oh, so we want the bike.
Remember every time I broke it before was because I was dumping the clutch like a jackass.
True.
Because the car doesn't have a slipper clutch or it doesn't have a slipper valve either.
Poverty.
So
Can't afford those.
Couldn't afford that. I was trying to figure out a hodgepodge way of making a slipper before, but there's really no way. So, gonna be doing some testing. Derek is gonna be driving his own damn car from now on.
Shit.
So if he don't get it right today,
we're selling it.
We're literally gonna put it on the trailer and it's gonna have a for sale sign on it. We're gonna drive Blueberry home.
$9,500. Anybody interested?
Yeah, $9,500. Anybody interested?
We're selling Derek's car.
We'll disclose times to serious buyers.
Yeah. So in other words, you give us the money, then we'll tell you what time.
Yeah, we'll tell you how fast it went. But
it went 11.5s.
There's already been a video out of it going 10.5.
Fuck.
I'm gonna beep that out just so people have to go back and watch a video and find out how fast it really went. Well, not really went, but
so you said it went what?
10.5.
Oh, now you gotta beep it out again.
Yeah,
shit. 10.5. Fuck, another beep.
But yeah, so we're gonna head to the track. We just washed the Suburban and washed Blueberry off because both of these things were filthy. And
there was more oil on the Suburban than there was
more oil
the
on the Suburban. How do I build a street/race turbo car that's modified and it does not leak? Right? Milkshake doesn't leak. Blueberry doesn't leak. This thing from the factory.
Milkshake has a different backstory behind it because if that shit does start to leak, Derek is lose
his fucking mind.
Derek will not drive the car till it's fixed.
He would buy a new motor if that motor starts leaking. Well, he already did.
Yeah, he bought a new motor, but
the new motor leaks though, so I have to.
Yeah, so now we gotta fix that.
I have to make it not leak.
Oh, shout out to fucking Stumpy.
Shout out to Stumpy.
Oh man, streetcar going through construction zones and stuff. Wow.
That
check him out. Check him out. Check him out. Check him out.
Does not care. That dude on the bucket, guarantee you he cares.
Oh yeah, nah.
Yep, he don't
have the harness. Oh, we're talking about the cars. I thought you were talking about his life.
He must got earplugs in. See that thing roll.
Look.
Is she pregnant?
Was that a dude or a female?
No, that was definitely a female. She definitely looked pregnant.
Oh shit! I know she hates job right now.
Out here drifting. Wow, damn Mopar's out here.
Talk shit about Fayetteville?
The entirety of Fayetteville is filled with nothing but V6 6th-gen Camaros.
Fayetteville took the Mopar or no car to heart.
Of 6th-gen V8 Camaros, and the entirety of it is just Mopars V6 and V8s. Like, there's a Scat Pack V6 that looks like a damn bag of Skittles rolling down the. Like Mopars, I'm put the meme in here too. Mopars literally took the Ricer keys from Hondas, and this is Mopars. My hand is the Mopars. Literally. But yeah. All right, to the track. We'll check back in with y'all when we get there. did you just drive this here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, street car.
Oh man. Oh man, are those the slicks and skinnies in the back?
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Shake for me, baby.
Oh, let the people see it because they ain't seen it yet.
You know what?
Alright guys, so I got Blueberry heat cycle. Just gotta turn the fan on. Unfortunately, I did not bring my little peg to put in my GoPro for the suction cup, so hopefully when John gets here, he'll have one, but you're gonna go to the laundry and go record from here. Hey, use your phone and record from here when I go down. Alright. And I'll just have Jason go to the damn line with me. Yeah, Jason cameraman today.
Love to hear.
You ready? You ready, Derek?
Yeah.
So I just gave Derek a little bit of a driver mod tutorial on how to do a burnout and stage up. So we're gonna see if he took the information very well. You know, we're gonna go up here and make it test it. You gonna record from down here?
I can.
All right, thank you. You know my phone? My phone's in the car. You can use my phone. All right. Oh, you got the 12 or 11. Sorry. Oh, excuse me. That's how I know I pay you too much.
I got the phone before I was
Good. He's got to work on his 1-2, but he did good.
Oh shit! What did I run?
Oh, did you not get the slip from down there?
I don't know where it's at.
You gotta get it from that shed.
Okay.
Oh damn. So we gotta go back down there.
like 3 years.
So how'd your first pass feel?
Felt great. Felt great. My adrenaline is pumping.
Yeah, we are not 60-footing well out here because it is on radial prep, and even that shit is spinning, which that really isn't like a real tire for what this thing is doing out here anyway. So, but I just doing mount testing on that, and Derek did exceptionally well for his first hit. So he is still lifting like a bitch. Keep your fucking foot to the wood, Bo.
60 foot.
Yeah, it's a damn 1.7. Like, what the fuck is that? This car's gone 140 before to 60. So, but it also was on like testing to non-radial prep. So
yeah.
This car works really well at shitty tracks. It doesn't work good on good tracks. So I think either I just need to take some two-step out of it. I really don't want it to. I need to create more wheel speed without leaving high RPM. So I need to put some more boost in it at this track down low, which it felt like it was on kill coming out the hole. Well, it looked like it was on kill coming out. This shit look like a sport four-wheel drive car. You know how to get that little tire shake? Yeah.
Felt good.
All right, but we're going to look at the tune and everything. I'm gonna make some adjustments to that because that thing is probably on like 14 pounds right now, running like shit. And we'll get back on the track with that.
That car likes to be abused.
Yeah, that car likes to be abused. It really likes cold weather. I don't know why.
Ride to the turbo car.
Yeah. It's really cold nature. It loves cold weather. If it's hot out here, it won't. It's a damn dud. But if it's cold,
you blew the head gasket like last weekend.
No, I didn't. Why would you say that? You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Number 2.
Hit number 2. Power shift. Do not move that damn right foot.
Hey, hold up. Is this the Blackphillbuilt YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's the Blackphillbuilt School of Driving.
First off, we're calling out Blackphillbuilt here today.
And what?
All-wheel drive
Oh,
versus
yeah.
all-wheel drive. Tesla gonna smoke this piece of shit.
Well, I just got my boost controller working, so if that runs what I project that it's gonna run,
Your helmet,
yeah.
because you got a big ass head.
Wow.
And all my shit's got earphones or a respirator in it.
I can't record twice on. That's good. Cannot stop lifting. God, bro, he will not stop lifting, dog.
Well, you know what he doesn't do? Miss a gear.
No, he ain't gonna miss no damn gear. That shit will go in gear if you damn put your tongue on the shifter.
I'll put $100 down. I can run fast.
I guarantee you won't.
All right.
All right, I'll turn it up. I guarantee you won't. Hold on, wait. I got it. All right, fellas. All right. So, Derek has made. Jesus.
I mean, you want to get like in there?
All right, Derek has made 2 hits. This mofo will not stop lifting.
But we're working on it.
Well, we're working on it. Blueberry has gone.
Well, hold on. Derek, when you be fucking, you pull it all the way out and then put it back in? When you fucking, do you pull it out and then put it all the way back in? Oh, okay. All right.
What, the gas?
That's the wrong way.
Just the wrong way. You can only go out. So yeah.
Some nice shoes.
Blueberry's gone mid. Oh damn! I wish it would.
Mid-5s. Wait.
Mid-7s on gate, and we're having a boost control issue. So now the boost controller issue is fixed. Back on 20. Well,
So what was the issue?
17 to 20. All right. So I guess whatever fuse I had the boost controller on, it was not supplying power to the boost controller because it uses the ECU pulses ground to it.
So how the fuck was it working before but not?
I don't know. Something probably changed. Probably when I was messing with it.
Motherfucker started cutting wires last night and didn't know what the hell he was cutting.
It's probably when I was putting the push button on there.
That's what I was saying. You were cutting wires last night. You didn't know what the fuck you were
I
cutting.
wasn't supposed to cut. Anyway.
That's what they all say.
Well, that's what they. This thing is laced weird. But anyway.
Yo, look at the socks. My man's wears socks.
Captain America on one foot. Iron Man on the other one.
Oh.
Huh?
What size are those? Those are dope.
Now you ain't getting these. These were a gift from my black brother,
From another country.
the Canadian Blackphillbuilt.
Those are dope.
Yeah. Shout out to my boy
All
Dragon Performance on Instagram for the RJS shoes.
all the way in
Which how you know I'm about to
the land of the
go
Canadians.
fast. You see the carbon fibers, guys? See that shit? That's real carbon.
Yo, y'all,
Oh, yeah.
y'all broke motherfuckers got steel toes. We got carbon toes.
If the car goes what I want it to go, you think I should post the time?
Where's the time slip? Where's it at? Okay.
I don't even know if I even want to post that.
Motherfucker had an all-motor time slip.
Pretty much. All motor Casey probably went faster.
Stumpy did go faster.
Yeah. Stumpy had good weather though. We're in the heat of the day.
And a lighter car.
Yeah, and a lighter car.
I don't know.
And he could 1-2 his car. I can't.
Yeah. He 1-2'd his car every bit of like 3 times, I think.
So he couldn't 1-2 it anymore.
New boot goofing, I see you out here. Okay. Ooh. Hit him with it again, one more time.
Down to the wall.
Alright, you Gucci gang.
Alright. Rundown. 20 pounds of booze. Well, 16 to 20 pounds of booze. 16.5 PSI on the front tires. 24 in the rear. Gonna slow shift the 1-2 because it won't fast shift into it. Well, I'm gonna shift it as fast as I can. Humanly can, which is gonna be
Pretty slow.
A tenth faster than I did on the video last time.
Got Blueberry versus the Tesla. Whole lot of shit going on right now.
Yeah. Back tire. Damn.
Oh man. They're gonna do it again. What do you got?
If he's trying to hit the hazards, he needs to hit them, not the windshield wipers.
Not the